Right, well, we're here the next day. This is the third actual day of shooting, and we're here at Vogafjós. We're just about packing up. You can see there's other participants on the workshop. Had some good shooting. I'll just show you on the back of the camera the last shot there that we took. That's a long exposure. This is a phenomenal place. So that's the falls there, and the sun's come round. You can probably see that the sun has actually come up. It's first time I've really seen it, so very cold but glorious day, so decent shots will pop up on the video after this. Right, we're here back at Vogafjós. I've taken a few pictures. I just find it quite difficult speaking and videoing when in a crowd, so I'm on my own at the moment, heading towards the cafe. But you can see the falls there. They're actually brilliantly spectacular. So, there's one of the other participants taking pictures. So I think I felt I got some good ones yesterday, so we're less inclined today, and slight mess up on my behalf, left something at the hotel that's going to be shipped forward, so but no, it's going well. Hopefully you've enjoyed some of the pictures I've put up. I'm just doing the bits of video, so whether it'll go across a number of videos on YouTube or whether it'll be just one, I don't know at the moment, so we'll just shoot each bit as we go along and that. So anyway, see you a bit later. Right, good morning, and we've come here to some a geothermal area, and you can see, not particularly, you can see all the steam coming off the bubbling mud and water. Stand up here. Don't know whether you can see the water there. It's yeah, it's quite impressive. I'm going to try and get some shots and see how we do. So anyway, we'll see you later. Right, we've come over to this steam vent here, which hopefully you can hear roaring away. It's very impressive. I'm trying to get shots of it. It's not difficult. The light's coming up, whether there'll be any colour in the sky, but you can just see the steam roaring out the vent there. Nature is so impressive, so real at times, and that. So, and if we get a decent image, we'll put it up on the video after this. Right, we've now come to this frozen waterfall. Very difficult to take these frozen waterfalls. It's not totally frozen. You can, I don't know whether you can hear the noise of the water and see it, but it's really spectacular. Bit of a dicey walk up. If we come round and look, you can see the path is totally frozen coming up, but managed to get my crampons on, worked out how to put them on, and it's come up no problem. So just finishing off now. If any of the shots are any good, I'll put them up on the video. So yeah, I also put the name up. I'm not quite sure at this point what it's called, but it is spectacular. I'm sure in the spring and summer, when there's no ice, it'll be amazing as well, but you can see that, so we'll see you shortly.